For my next video, I'd like to do one on the Samsung S24 Ultra and also on any One UI 6.1.1, so any tablet, any Samsung device basically out there. So, and what we want to talk about is an auto blocker, and it's a security feature on our phone. So let's go ahead and scroll down. Let's dive right in here to security and privacy. And then I want you to scroll down and go to auto blocker. So I have mine on right now. So let me read this just real quickly here. Auto blocker helps keep you safe from security threats, suspicious activity, and privacy risks. It blocks apps from unauthorized sources, so only apps from the authorized sources can be installed. Sometimes you can turn this off because of that, but 99% of the time, most people will never need that. Blocks commands by USB cable, so that's an important one. So somebody plugs your phone into a cable, it's not going to be able to be used. Blocks malware images in messaging apps. That's an important one. You get a lot of those now with hackers. Blocks software updates by USB cable. That's an important one. Then you go to the very bottom and we see maximum restrictions. Provides extra strong protection for people who need more security. Some of your phone's features will be restricted. So let's tap on that. I'd like to go over a little bit of this really quickly. This provides extra strong protection. So starting out, turns on app protection. Apps installed on your phone will be checked for malicious activity. Blocks device admin apps. Prevents device admin apps and work profiles from being activated on your phone. Blocks auto downloading attachments. This is why I am going to turn this part off. I don't need this. So in other words, you can't get, I'll just read it. Prevents files attached to a message from being downloaded automatically. I get a lot of messages with attachments, stuff like that. This is another important one that I use a lot of. Blocks hyperlinks and previews. So prevents preview images and hyperlinks from appearing when you receive a message. That includes a web address. This helps protect you accidentally visiting malicious websites. Remove location data when sharing pictures. When you attach a picture to a message, location data will be removed from the picture. This prevents the recipient from being able to determine where and when the picture was taken. And blocks shared albums. Removes location data when sharing pictures, which is kind of what we just went on. But most important one here is, for me, I get a lot of hyperlinks and I get a lot of downloading attachments. So I don't need to go to this level of security. But this part, this first one, is what I keep on. It's fairly important. So just a quick word of advice there on beefing up your security and making your phone safer to use. So that's my video on auto blocker. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Please click the thank you button if you're really pleased with my videos. And until next time, I'm out.